Hey, it's Megan. I just got back from the mail and I actually have two boxes today. So I have my Glymm box and I also got my Julep mystery box. Right now I will just do my Julep box though, and later on I'll film the other one. So we'll see that later. Okay, so we'll open it up. I can get it. Some scissors. Okay. So, that is it inside. So it's just, yeah, no more fancy things. Just wrapped up in tissue paper. And it feels like it's still a bag. Ooh. So it's a royal blue or a cobalt blue Glymm bag, and it still has the little Glymm emblem right up here. Same bag pretty much, just different color from last year. Okay, so it's smaller. Oh, I don't think you can really see in there. It's smaller than last time. First thing I find, do we have even a card? Okay, so there's no description card. I don't know if that's just mine or if everybody's is like that. I haven't checked out anybody else's reviews yet. I wanted to leave it a surprise for myself. So there's two nail polish removers, acetone free, LA Fresh. They each contain one pad and it cleans and conditions all 10 nails. So that's not too big. Okay. Okay, yeah. So there's a card in there. It says Glymm goes digital. And it's just saying that because of their green movement, their information, the product information can be found online now. So if we want to look at the description, we just have to go to myproducts.glymm.com and we can find out all the product information there. So the other thing that I grabbed is, I don't even know what it is. I thought it was perfume. I think, I don't know. That's right. Of course I can't open. Vitamin and C. Okay, so there's the packaging there. Organic vitamins and pure glacier water. So, damp cleanse face. I guess it's supposed to be like a, I don't know. Would it help to have the description card? It's a moisturizer of sorts, I guess. It has a bunch of oil and it says for nightly use to massage 2 or 3 drops of the serum into a damp cleanse face and neck until fully absorbed. So it's just, yeah, a little vial in there. And this is Clark's Botanics Intense Radiance Mask. So that's a face mask, I guess. Hard to see there. And has a nice little emblem on the front. I think I got them on my nose. So it's just that clean smell. There's just a little bit in there. It's just kind of a tan color. And then we have Harmony by Velveeta. And that's a lipstick. And it's a lipstick or balm? Lipstick lip balm. It's a duo, it says. So I don't know if it's double-ended. We'll see. Whoa. Okay, so it's in nice little packaging. It's really shiny. Ooh. Okay, that's odd to get it out. Okay. So, I'm guessing this is a lipstick. So you have to, reminds me of a kid's toy. So you have to click it in and then push it hard to get the other one to pop out. And yeah, there's the bomb. So that's kind of cool, a little gimmick, but it's, yeah, pretty nice. And that would be just great for throwing your purse. And obviously, since it's kind of harder to get out, it's not easy just to push on it. It would be great to toss in your purse. And the last thing is, it is Dream. I can't even read this. Saldora Dale, I think it says. And it's a eau de toilette spray. How do you say it right now? I'm not very good at French. It's very hard to see. It looks like it's pink perfume, but it's just a pink bottle. Let's see. I don't know. It kind of smells soapy. It's pretty much like soap to me. It's not very, I don't like it all that much, but it might change up the smell. And it just kind of like squirted out rather than a spray like a mist. And that is all. Empty bag. So pretty good, I guess, for products. Kind of small. We'll see how they do, but I do like this. My sister's wedding is coming up next month. Her wedding color is cobalt blue. So maybe I'll stuff this with some things for her as a little gift or a little bridal, you know, survival kit, whatever. And that is all. Okay, so I'll see you in a little bit. And my Glymm, my julep mystery box I'll have. Okay, see ya. Bye-bye.